So now they've got TK Maxx closer. Literally just like TJ Maxx.
Okay.
But I don't go in there unless I know that I want to buy heavy stuff, because I'm like, oh, big bottles of cream, big candle.
Oh, there's candles. Well,
But they also have other candles at M&S. Let's just go to M&S. Because that's where Marks and Spencer, so that's where you get the panties. But I also need to get, I came here for cleaning supplies.
Okay.
You know, it's January, you gotta clean your house.
Yes.
So, you know. And I'm real backwards. I'll celebrate New Year's Day because it's just necessary, but I don't really enter in a new year until like springtime. No, that's just me. Okay, let's cross. Straws?
Yeah.
Right there by the register, sorry. Alright. Hey people. Hi lovely people. So I wanted to show y'all or share what it is I got today here in England. I haven't been here in so long. At one point in time I felt like I was going to live here because I was just here all the time. But now, you know, life is gonna go. Big Primark bag. But I went to Primark, I went to Marks and Spencer's, I went to Boots. I'm just gonna pull stuff out of the bag. First things first, I got some Panadol, paracetamol, Albus oil. I put drops of this in the shower, especially when I know it's gonna be a nice, hot, steamy shower. I have sinusitis, always got something wrong with my sinuses, so I need that. From Primark. Is this from Primark? Yes. Slouchy cozy socks because my feet are always cold. Is it 2 pairs? 2 pairs. I'm going to leave 1 pair at home in New York. I'm going to leave 1 pair in my luggage for whenever I'm out and about. 5 pair of socks because my sister asked for some. My sister always asks me to get her socks. And you know, sometimes we share the socks and she always loses them. You could tell her I said that. The main reason why I went to Primark, I went to go get pantyhose. So I got 3 pairs of pantyhose. And what else did I get? Oh, my mother readers. And that is, oh no. The last thing from Primark, these velvet plush tights. They're really warm. As you can see, they have the, well, you know, velvet. I always thought it's like a little fuzzy thing. These are really warm. Sometimes she needs those to go to move. My mommy needs those to go to work. I really hope I'm not becoming an unboxing channel, am I? That would be hilarious. Okay, now for Marks and Spencer's, the real reason why I came. Microfiber. Are you microfiber? These are the machine washable ones. These are the household cloths. Viscose. These get stains off of everything. I had a set of these from before. Definitely love those. The scent. These are in scent almond and sweet orange. It's made with botanical essential oils. They smell so amazing. I would open it now, but why? And then these are the bathroom surface wipes. And these are coastal eucalyptus and sage. Ask my sister really about me. I'll clean a bathroom. I'll clean a bathroom today, tomorrow, every day. I like a cleaner bathroom than anything else. I don't know, maybe because I'm naked fully in there for a long time and vulnerable. And then the real reason why I'm going to have to check my luggage tomorrow and not take it through because, well, you know, this is too big. I got a concentrated disinfectant, the antibacterial, antiviral protection, and green tea and bergamot. I really wanted to try this one. Do you guys know Melissa from Melissa's Wardrobe on Instagram? This was a recommendation of hers, and then I saw somebody else with it. And I said, I need to try this because I just need a new scent in my house, in my mop water, to clean my windows, walls. This is a good time of year to clean. Just saying. Old Faithful. That's all. I put that ish on everything. And then the other thing is underwear. I don't want to show my underwear to people on the internet. But yeah, Marks and Spencer's has really good cotton lycra, regular cotton with lace bands, that type of underwear. And so I got some of that for myself, my mom, my sister, because I needed it. But let me tell y'all about my flight. Well, I put this back in there. So last night or Sunday night, I left New York to come to London Heathrow. All this is going to get packed into my bag, obviously. and then checked up. I'm not gonna walk with this bag through the airport. So we get on, everything's going great. We have a little sick passenger, but that's okay. She was feeling a lot better. I think she was just nervous, and she had not eaten. Please, before you get on an aircraft, I know for long haul flights and for transatlantic flights, they will. Am I looking at the camera? Or am I looking at the viewfinder? Camera. I gotta. Maybe because I just like to look at me. I'm gonna leave that in. So, eat something. Try and eat something. Bring yourself a snack. Obviously, if you're going to go through TSA, and I keep saying obviously as if everybody knows this, but I'm treating it as if everyone knows this. When you're going through TSA, yogurts, juices, that kind of stuff, they're probably going to take it away. Even if you're going through pre-check, they will start taking stuff away. But some crackers, little almond butter, something so that you can at least snack on it. Because suppose your flight's delayed and you can't get any food, what are you going to do? Are you going to wait for them to start serving food and then you're sick? So this little girl was sick. She had the cutest little baby sister though. But that aircraft was so dry. I mean, dry as chips, like the Sahara Desert. It was so dry. My lips were so gosh darn dry. It pissed me off. And I drank. This is how I knew that not only was the plane just drying as it normally is, my eyes were dry, but I finished my 1.5 liter bottle of water before initial descent. Normally, I'm struggling to finish it, like final, and I'm throwing maybe a cup away. Ooh, sounds bad, I know, but I'm not gonna pretend like every single time I drink. It's a lot of noise. I'm not gonna pretend like every single time I drink the cup of water, or the bottle of water, but it was so dry, and everyone was saying that. People were like, "Oh, do you have any lotion?" I don't have lotion for customers. I have lotion for myself. I should show y'all what my lotion is in. Oh, I have my little Cadence capsules with me. But yeah, it was ridiculous. I don't know if it was just because the plane is newer, so the filters are working better, or something. I don't have an explanation for that one. All I know is my lips were so dry. But where is it? Topicals got me together. Shout out to them all day, every day. Topicals really did their big one when they made the lip balm, lip salve. So they got me together. I know everyone can't use it. I can. I love it. I use that. And now on my lips, I have my favorite brown combo that I went outside with. It's the Win Beauty by Serena Williams. She's so sweet. It's the Win Beauty Ask and Whisper. I was just missing a lip liner because I didn't have any. Or maybe I do. I don't know. I might actually have my lip liner in my makeup bag. I don't know. But yeah. That's what I had to put on. Maybe you can't see it. My lips are still a little dry. But thankfully they're not cracked and crusty. But they're a bit dry. My hair, on the other hand, that's a whole other story. My hair is dry and crusty. Need to wash it as soon as I get back home to New York. So yeah. I don't know which video this will be, but I will like to tell y'all to get used to me right now in a white t-shirt and a cute face. I got 100 of these. Just be ready. That's what we're gonna have to work with. Oh, look. Right here. That's my one Cadence capsule that I'm showing because I'm gonna film another one of what's in my work bag and my luggage, but there it is with my body moisturizer. And the body moisturizer in here, this one is cracked. Body moisturizer in here is the La Roche-Posay with the AHA and all that other good stuff. It's great. That's all I know. It works out really well. Yeah. I need to upgrade my Cadence capsules to their new medium size. This is the original size, not the original ones, because the original ones were terracotta. I saw them. I thought that's a great option for me to travel with. That would be a wonderful option, but I like purple. It's the best color in the world. So I waited. Happy I waited. I ended up getting this. When I bought my set, I bought a set of 12 because that's one of the sets that you can get. I bought a set. I'm going to tell the story over again. I bought a set of 12, and I got some purple, some blue, some green. Now, for a limited time, it's been brought back in the large and medium size, which I'm going to upgrade to. And you got this nice, rich lavender. This is more like a lilac. That's a lavender. I still call everything purple when I need to, but yeah, I'm going to treat myself to that one. And it's around the same time that I bought that January, excuse me, still dry, January 2022. So for 3 years, and to only have one little crack in one capsule, and I've been using them since January of 2022. Obviously, they do what they're supposed to do. I will say this though. I had something leak, and it was a toner, but it was a very, very thin toner. I don't know if that was the reason, but it did leak a little. Nothing else has ever leaked from these. They're great. Cadence capsules. I know Amazon has one that's supposed to be similar, but nothing beats the original. Sometimes you just need to pay the money once, cry about the price, and then not have to worry about it again. Cost per wear, perfect on this one. All right. Oh, look. There's a lot of stuff just in my way. So I'm doing. This is their new parcel. This one has my wires, cords, and so on, because I didn't work for a whole month, and then I ended up going to work finally, and I didn't have my European adapter. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not moving the camera. I didn't have my European adapter with me, which I had taken to Grenada, because Grenada is 220 and the US is 110. So I took it, used it for some things, but not, well, since I'm doing the cords, I didn't have it. But then I had to end up working and buying other adapters and USB-Cs. If you know you're going to come to the UK or you're going to go to the Caribbean, like let's say you're a flight attendant or you're a frequent flyer and you have an Apple product, or even if you don't have an Apple product, because it'll still work, get you this one time. I wouldn't get the European one for, let's say, France or Amsterdam or any of those other places in Europe. Get this one. Look at how it is. It's the same size almost as my double one that I have from Apple, which is like this. Where are you? See? This one's a little bit smaller, but this one's doubled. So 2 USB ports down at the bottom. This just has one, but this is so easy and convenient. Many, many times this has saved my work device, my personal device, or devices, because iPad Pro, I don't know where my phone is. Where's my phone? I don't know where it is. But anyways, it saved my iPad Pro, watch, iPhone, my work device, charges with a USB-C also. It comes in handy. So get you one of these if you know you're going to be out here often. But when in doubt, just get this guy, because it's double, so you can charge 2 things at once, and it's pretty powerful. This is 35 watts. I don't know how many watts here, but I think this one is 20. Might be 30, but I think it's 20. Anyways, it comes in handy. Love them. All right. Ta-ta for now. Until next time.